Meet Priya, a compassionate young woman from India, known for her kind heart and willingness to help others. Little does she know, today will test her humanity in unexpected ways.
What a beautiful day.
As Priya drives through the city, she spots a man lying on the side of the road, clearly in distress.
Oh no, he's bleeding. I need to help him.
Without a second thought, Priya decides to lend a hand,
I can't just leave him high and dry.
meaning abandon someone in trouble,
Hang in there, sir. Help is on the way.
meaning to remain persistent and not give up.
I'm here with you. You're not alone.
Priya's words are like a warm blanket, providing comfort and reassurance.
You're going to be okay. I'll make sure of it.
Priya is determined to go the extra mile, meaning to make a special effort,
I hope he pulls through.
meaning recover from a difficult situation. Doctor, are you the one who brought him in?
Yes, how is he? Doctor, he's stable now thanks to you. You really saved his bacon.
Meaning saved someone from trouble.
I'll do it. I'm willing to roll up my sleeves.
Meaning prepare to work hard or help. Nurse, thank you. You're a lifesaver. Priya's willingness to help is like a breath of fresh air, meaning a welcome change. Priya's selflessness shines through, showing that actions speak louder than words, meaning what you do is more important than what you say. Doctor, you've done a wonderful thing today. It was the least I could do. Priya's humility is as clear as day, meaning very obvious. Priya's heart swells with gratitude and relief. I'm just glad you're okay. We're all in this together, meaning everyone is facing the same challenges. Priya's actions have left a lasting impact, proving that kindness is contagious, meaning kindness can inspire others to be kind. I believe in paying it forward, meaning respond to a person's kindness by being kind to someone else. Priya's act of humanity reminds us all that even small gestures can make a big difference. Today was a wake-up call. We should always be ready to help others, meaning a reminder or realization of something important.